An emergency closure order has been issued for the San Bernardino National Forest.
Trapping people in their cabins, shutting down almost all the roads.
The mountains were buried in up to 10 feet of snow.
And grocery stores are closed after the roof collapsed at one of them.
We're frustrated because we feel like you're out on an island and there's nobody there. It saddens me that we're in this dilemma. It really is. It sucks. You know, it just sucks. It does.
People are frustrated.
We need help. This is not a joke. People are trapped in their homes. They cannot get medicine.
This is far beyond us, and we need help.
We're gonna see the mud flows. We're gonna see the rock slides.
Driving is impossible, and it's been this way for more than a week. 12 days now. It's hard to get food.
We've been stuck here for 2 weeks.
18 days.
14 or 15, I've lost track. I don't even know anymore.
Conditions are still life-threatening. There are 500 emergency responders, but those who live here say that is still not enough.
God answered our prayers just from you guys coming down the street like this. You don't even know what an incredible blessing this is, man. You're gonna start crying right now. You guys are awesome.
This is the story of the mountain communities of San Bernardino, California. Hundreds of thousands of people were left stranded in a state of total emergency. Our team immediately started gathering all the supplies, resources, and necessary pieces of equipment to provide relief. We knew that we had to go. This is the story of communities rallying together to serve and love one another. Well, my phone is officially blowing up. We told you guys that we were going to try to get involved with the relief efforts down in Southern California, and we started making some phone calls, and it was kind of slow going, trying to get to the right person, and then boom, we got to the right person. Some leadership in the county down there and some state and local authorities basically found out who we are, what we're trying to do, and they said, bring it on. So they gave us the green light as of this morning. Spent all morning getting the trucks, trailers, equipment, everything ready. Put up a post about needing some volunteers to come help us haul stuff. And our goal is to go down there and shuttle food and supplies in the helicopter into the areas that need it. And more importantly, I think we're going to have a ton of equipment on the ground to be able to transport the food and supplies to different locations. And we're basically assembled a small army of skid loaders to go down and clear the berms. So between volunteers and stuff, I know of like probably 20 different machines that are going right now, and there's about 100 more that are offering that I haven't said anything to yet because we're just not sure on how much we can handle yet. So this is big, this is huge. And I'm still getting email after email from people that are stuck in their houses. So it's pretty cool to be able to go down there with an actual like direct mission. Like we know where we're going, we know what we're doing, we know what needs to be done, and we're just gonna get in there and do it. All right guys, so as we're getting ready to head out to California, we've been getting tons of messages and emails from people wanting to help, like donate to this process. And I gotta tell you right now, we're not taking cash donations at the moment just because it's not really how we do it. But I will tell you how you can support us. So basically, the giveaway that we're running right now is partnered with Bucked Up, and we've decided that for the last few days of the giveaway, all of you who want to support the channel and support what we're doing, if you make a purchase, what would normally be 1 entry for every $5 you spend is going to be 20 entries for every $5. So literally a 20 times multiplier on the entries. We're going to take it one step further. We've also created bundles. Bundle 1, 2, and 3. Each bundle has some awesome stuff in it, and each bundle is going to get you more than 20x entries. In fact, bundle number 1, it's only 50 bucks. It's going to get you 300 entries to the giveaway. Bundle number 2 is only 115 bucks, and it's going to get you 700 entries to the giveaway. If you buy bundle number 3, which comes with all this awesome product, I'm just gonna take and max out all of your entries because every sweepstakes out there has a maximum number of entries that any one individual can get, right? I think it's like 1,500 entries on this giveaway. So if you buy that bundle, you're getting maxed out, which would normally cost way more than what the price of the bundle is, like significantly more. So guys, this is a way for you to help us out. It's clean, it's simple, it's actually great for you guys because it's going to drastically increase your entries, which drastically increases, chances of winning this Bronco. So thank you for your support, and click the link in my description below, make a purchase, and we got to get to California. So we're jumping in the helicopter right now because we got to beat the daylight down there. The convoy is going to be leaving the shop here in about an hour, so they'll be coming into California sometime 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Tonight. Here we go again. 7:45 a.m. Tuesday. We got into town late last night. The rest of the crew got in really late to Barstow. Convoy sitting there. They got in like 4 a.m. So we got a bunch of different things we got to do this morning, including coordinate with the county officials and the emergency disaster response teams. This is the first time in history they've ever accepted private help from a group like us. So they're a little confused as to how to exactly plug us in, but they're working on it, which is good. We're jumping in the helicopter and we're gonna go do our first reconnaissance flight. This flight right here is gonna be critical because it's gonna help me understand, you know, road widths, access points, turnaround points for the big trucks. But we also gotta be fairly fast because I got a call supposedly about 8:30 with the county, which I might just have to take from the helicopter, but this is the eye of the storm. No? Is the eye of the storm the middle of the storm?
Yeah, that's the middle. We're at the beginning.
How do you, I see the storm on the horizon.
I like that.
This is the calm before the storm?
Yeah.
Oh,
okay.
there we go. Nice.
This is so much more difficult than just showing up and slinging a shovel. There's so much that goes into this.
Okay, my name is Jackie Bailey, and I live on a residential street that took 8-9 days to get plowed, and it's not plowed very well, and I have like a 9-foot berm in my driveway. It's been hard, but I'm thankful that I still have electricity. And also, some people are taking advantage of other people and charging ridiculous amounts of money to knock down a berm. We're talking about like $1,300, and it's really tough. But most of us have a good attitude, but we really need help. This shouldn't be this way. I should be able to get to my appointments and things. I have 9 stitches in my mouth that I need to have taken out, and I can't get down. You make the best out of a bad situation, and you smile, and you be kind to your neighbors because they are kind. And I thank God that we're still here. My roof is still on my house, you know? My house didn't burn up. I'm feeling good. I thank you, God, for this.
Well, we're on some pretty much 1-lane roads because there's so much snow I can only plow the roads to be mainly 1 lane. It's a little bit wide right here, so we're just navigating traffic and also have to figure out where to turn around because there's no really turnaround points. So we have like this partially plowed road that I'm going to try to jackknife the trailer into, and we might unload this snowcat there and work with it there. But if not, it'll at least get me facing out of here. If I need to go out of here, we need to stage somewhere else altogether. We're going to see.
All right, I know what a lot of you are probably thinking. You just saw the clip of Hunter and you're thinking, what's he doing back on the channel? I'll explain. For a long time, Hunter was a very valuable full-time member of our crew. A while back, he came to me and said, hey, I want to branch out on my own and try to build my own channel. And I said, okay, do it. And he's been doing it. He's been doing a great job creating great content, which I'll link his channel below so you can check it out. But we still have a huge mutual respect for each other. So I wasn't surprised when we made the announcement that we were going down to California, and he was one of the first people to call and say, hey, how can I help? So I said, get your tall ass over here and drive the semi. So the thing about Hunter, he's smart, he's talented, he's a hard worker, he's got a big heart, and he's one of the very few people that I trust to haul these big precarious loads across the country. So even though he's no longer a full-time member of our crew, you're probably gonna see him in our videos forever because he's part of the family and always has been, always will be. So now you can enjoy watching the Florida man trudge through 8 feet of snow. All right, we are right here, the first staging area, getting our snowcat and other equipment unloaded. And I got to tell you guys, I just had a super grateful moment just seeing my guys kicking ass. These guys are over here just working, and they are belly deep in this machine. Dave's under there, you can only see his boots. This is a proud moment for me. I got my entire shop, my entire office, basically everybody who's on our payroll is here, plus a lot more. And they're just happy to be working and helping. It's freaking emotional for me. So this whole street right here, when we got here, it was not plowed. We actually basically just had to plow it to be able to unload our equipment. Nobody was planning on plowing it for who knows how long. Every house we pass, we hear another story about this person, that person needing help. Down this street that we're about to plow will be the first one. Apparently there's a couple of older people in there that need to get out to get cancer treatment. They can't even get out. So when they found out that we were going to plow their street, they're just like, what? Like, what? They did not think they were high on the list because it's a dead-end street. I just can't imagine how many stories there are like that out here. So
I live on this street, yes. Outlook Lane, which is off of Valley and 138. On Friday, they pulled all the plows out of the area. When you stop plowing, you lose the roads. This is the dilemma, the thing that happened to us. This is what, day 15?
Yeah,
15?
I would say
day
15 at least.
The postal service shut down, so everything basically in town.
Explosions and fires.
We had a lot of issues. We have a gentleman at the end of our street, and this is at the end of Valley. He had cancer in his bladder, so they took his whole bladder out, and we haven't seen him since the storm began, and we can't get to him, and it's sad. We're very frustrated.
You make a lot of old people on the street that can't access food or emergency care if they need it. We have people can't get to work for 2 weeks now, but mainly we need access on this road just to get out of here in case of an emergency, and we've been stuck here for 2 weeks. But we help each other out. Yeah, and then my father-in-law has liver issues. He has to go down the mountain to Kaiser and get drained. He's 2 weeks past due. He's got a Jeep too. If we could just get this road out, he can get the hell out of here, go down and get his medical attention that he needs. And it desperately. I hope you plow the road.
Yeah,
we really need it.
we're hoping.
Please help us.
But the big thing that we worry about is the gentleman at the end of the street. You know, he's got to get to a doctor.
Been taking her car out as little as I can, as much as I can. Taking me a while, but I'm getting there.
These guys hired someone.
It's kind of messed up now, but
we all did this together in the street because the city hasn't done nothing. We had to help each other out.
And I got a lot of the snow off of this car of mine.
I didn't know you were this buried though, Rod. I didn't know that. Oh my goodness, man.
I was hoping you'd come down and help me, Bert. I'm getting old, man.
You know what? I could help you, man. I'll help you with the rest. I will help you. We'll get that done. I promise you.
Okay.
As a neighbor, I'll help you out.
We're a team. Everybody works together as a team. I'm worried about him because he's got cancer. Well, trying to get to him is tough. It's tough.
We can't even get out.
Well, you're in luck.
2 weeks.
You happen to be where we're unloading, so you'll be our first stop.
Man, thank you.
Yeah, man, we got you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, we got you guys. We got you guys. We'll be here in 10-15 minutes.
Thank you.
Yep. We got Matt here. He's a volunteer from Southern California with his badass machine, and he's getting ready to start opening their street. Right, buddy?
Hey, hey.
What's your name? Where are you from?
Matt, Feeling, California.
That's right. And you showed up because you're badass, right? That's right. You gonna plow the street? Yeah. All right.
Just to see that snowplow go down the street, that's a great feeling to know we're gonna be able to try to at least go to the store at least.
Where do you want to go? This way?
Yeah.
Wait, this is a road or this is a trail?
No, it's a road.
This is a street.
It's our road.
Our block right here.
This is what happens
Our
when you
neighborhood.
stop plowing.
Yeah, we're gonna get that street cleared and get a wellness check going. And then from here, we'll just do every street on the way to the school.
Digging out entryway, you know, shoveling the sidewalks.
Thank you guys very much.
How's it feel to see your street?
Yeah, it feels awesome, man. It was 2 weeks not seeing it. I feel like back to normal a little, like don't feel so stressed out that we can't even see our street and we're walking on mountains of snow like you see here, like you and me are standing on.
And then any other cars in here that need to
No,
move? Okay.
nothing. There's a car over there, but that's out of the way.
All right, I'm just gonna push straight through here then.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
I love that red machine.
Oh, but it ain't California. No, it ain't California. No, it ain't California without you.
I believe in the Lord, and I've just been praying, hey, you know, we just gotta go day by day, because God says he'll provide for us every single day. And then all of a sudden my wife goes, "Is that a plow?" You know, just she starts crying, and was like, God answered our prayers just from you guys coming down the street like this. You don't even know what an incredible blessing this is, man. I can't even tell you. I wish I was part of your crew, dude, because I love helping people, man. You're gonna start crying right now. You guys are awesome.
Me and Mary Jane, yeah, we shared some.
2 weeks.
Are you about to see if she starts?
Yeah. Oh! Thank God for you guys.
Without you here.
So, we were finally kind of in action here, and we originally had a place that we were supposed to rendezvous with the fire department, which is down at the school, which we're still trying to get there. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna park the cat, because nobody else really should be operating this thing other than me right now, just because of how precarious it is. So I'm just gonna park it in this random driveway, and I'm gonna jump in with the fire department here, because they need me to go down to the school. I guess there's a big group of officials down there waiting for me, so we're gonna get down there, meet with them, go over some plans, and then get back over here and keep on moving film. I told them tonight we're just going to keep going.
They're fine with that?
Oh yeah, they're totally fine with it. We can't stop everybody right now. We're just barely getting started. We've got a plan for tomorrow. The fire department knows they're going to put us in different task force to be able to go out and do some stuff over here. So kind of same thing we're doing, but that's going to happen tomorrow. We got the rest of the day to do whatever we want. I want to use our time the best we can, but at the same time I don't want to overwork anybody. There's a couple of critical houses, elderly lady down the road that needs us to get her out pretty quickly. So we're going to go to some of the priority houses and just do the same type of thing, and along the way use the loaders and stuff to just kind of make the road better as we go.
This is absolutely awesome how much was cleared out here. Going down the road with any of those, it's not as bad as this.
Yeah.
Going down that main road, we can pop open a few people.
Yeah.
And then
and before we get too committed to plowing someone's driveway, let's make sure we talk and make sure that that's the best use of our time, because some driveways need to be plowed by us and some driveways aren't that critical. So the rubber track skid loaders are kind of slipping and sliding with the ice now. So luckily, as we get out to the main road, it's better. We can work from the main road to some of the side street houses and cut those, and we'll just do what we can with those tonight. If you guys are good with it, let's finish what we need to do in this street right here. We'll work back out to the main street and then head down. Caleb, you know where the lady's house is?
Yeah, the red one?
Yeah, because I was gonna go up and meet on top of the hill. If you could point out where that lady's house is, that's a priority. That should probably be the next destination.
All right, we're tackling a huge lawn driveway covered with snow. We got a few skid steers though, so that's gonna make quick work of it. And then we got a crew up here with shovels clearing this lady's car. Basically, we have an 80-year-old lady who makes a ton of biscuits for the community. So we need to clear a path for endless biscuit flow to the neighbors. So
endless biscuit flow?
Yeah, because she's 80 and she can't clear this driveway, and the people need their biscuits. So finally. Hi there.
I love you guys. I'm gonna cry. I can't believe this. Y'all
Drop
are
the biscuit into my mouth.
freaking awesome.
Hi there.
So excited.
Yeah, the sun still shines all the time, and the sky's still blue. And the stars shine bright every night like they used to. Oh, but it ain't California. No, it ain't California
great, man. We shoveled out a lot of driveways, met a lot of good people, made a lot of memories, built a lot of back muscles. Got to meet the guy that does all the tricks on the skid steer. I mean, it's been a great day.
I didn't understand. I've been to San Bernardino before. I had no idea. So getting up here and just seeing really a lot worse situation than what it was absolutely amazing to get equipment up here and just get people out. Very desperate people, and having the equipment to be able to get them out has been very, very fulfilling and awesome.